Welcome. Today we're going to show you an awesome way to use tabs for any app on your machine, not just tabs in a web browser. We're going to start off here with the Microsoft Store. Next, we're going to search for United Sets. We could also provide you a link in the description. And you'll see here United Sets Preview Beta. We're going to go ahead and click on here. And we're going to go ahead and click on Get. The app's going to download and then get ready to run. Once it's complete, we're going to click Open. You'll see here we are provided with a screen here that says Welcome to the beta. And we're going to go ahead and take a look here. It's saying Customize Settings, Exit Window, exits the window when closing a tab. And then it's mentioning that certain apps are not actually stable yet in here, so we're just going to be aware of this. And we're going to hit Launch Sets. Okay, then in here we now have the app running. It says drag a tab out to release the window, and we can also hit plus here to select a tab. So we're going to go ahead and try to click on Notepad here. So the way that works is that you start off with an app. When you know you want to add that app into the set, you'll hit plus. You'll get a pop-up window that states press tab with the cursor over a window to add. So we'll just go ahead and click here into Notepad and we'll press tab, and now we're inside. This is tab 1. And then you can hit plus again, and you can go ahead and try to add a calculator. Let's see if that works well. Okay, so now we have Notepad. There's calculator. We can also attempt to run another Notepad here, which will be right here. Tab 3 just to have it. And we'll press on the top here and click in it. Now we have tab 1, calculator, tab 3. And then if we would like to remove the app, we just drag it up, let go, and now it's free. But otherwise, if we go ahead and hit the plus, tab, and click, then we got all the apps right in here. We can go ahead and try to open up a incognito Chrome, see how that functions. So in here, we're gonna hit plus, we're gonna click tab and click on the window, and now we have Google Chrome. And we'll go here and see if Google is loading. We'll go to ESPN, and as you can see on top of these tabs functioning, all in here, just one nice clean spot that we can minimize and expand. You'll see then that Chrome is in here and it's functioning as well with its own tabs, so it's pretty nice, and more than likely it's going to be the route that you'll be able to manage all your windows. There's some features here with settings here with the gear, but not much. One thing I did notice though, if we decide to close the set, it'll ask you, do you want to release all the windows or do you want to close them? So we could hit release to see how they just exist on their own. And it looks like they're all here. The way we can do this again is to click the United Sets app from your start menu. It's right here. And then we're going to hit the plus, click in here. Unfortunately, it looks like you have to hit the plus every time you want to add. And then tab plus clicking to get all the apps back into your set. But the nice thing is that the tab set gets set up, and you probably don't have to change it too much after you do. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this with your colleagues or friends. Thanks.